What? TikTok wants to give you $300 if you make an account? What is this marketing strategy? And how can you get the $300? So TikTok wants more users. What a surprise. I guess it wasn't enough with the already 1.7 billion registered users that they have. No. They want the whole cake. And they are willing to pay for it. Well, kinda. They are not willing to pay for everyone. They are willing to pay for the top creators. And also, it's not real money. So let's actually take a look at this TikTok incentive, see who can apply for it, and what you have to do to get it. But also, I'm going to tell you my favorite way of actually making real money with TikTok. Hey guys, it's the Ecom Bull here. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so here's how all of this works. First, you're gonna need to get an invitation. If no one has invited you to join this program, then I'm gonna leave my invitation in the description of the video if you wanna use that one. Now, the invitation is gonna say something like this. Your friend has invited you to become a TikTok creator. You will get a $300 coupon to promote your video after completing 3 simple steps. And then it has a link to open TikTok. So let's click on that link. Your friend invited you to be a creator on TikTok. Complete tasks to get a $300 promote coupon. Okay, I get it. Accept the invitation. Now let's take a look at the requirements. First of all, the creator needs to be new to TikTok. So you could create a new account and that's it, right? Well, no, because there's more requirements. You need to have at least 10,000 followers on YouTube or 100,000 followers on Instagram. So they don't just want anyone, they want the top creators that are already on other platforms, all right? They just want to scoop them for TikTok. But let's say that you fit the criteria. You also need to add a video on TikTok and use the dumb hashtag TikTok_referral_bonus, all right? And then you will get the 300 promote coupon within 10 days. Now, what do you think about this? Do you think this is enticing enough? Because I don't find it compelling at all. I mean, you want top talent from other platforms to start making content for your platform, and you're giving them $300 promote coupon, which is nice, but I would prefer the cash, right? Like the $300 promote coupon will serve you to promote your videos and get more views. Basically running ads on your videos to get more views. But, you don't want to pay for views. You want views to get paid. So I think this is just a gimmick and it's not going anywhere. But there's actually ways of making a lot of money on TikTok, and not just for the top creators, for anyone. For example, you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate, and this is actually my favorite way of making money as a creator. And it just consists on getting a product, making a video about it, all right, using the product, recommending it, and then tagging the product into the video. Now, everyone that watches that video, clicks on that product link, and buys the product will be tracked as your referral. So you will get a commission for every purchase coming from your video. And I already have a bunch of videos on my channel explaining how you can become an affiliate even without the 5,000 follower requirement, even if you have 1 follower, and how to make videos that sell and get you a bunch of commissions. Also how to utilize the TikTok incentives like free vouchers so you can get free products, to then promote. So I already have this all well documented. But just to see how good of an opportunity this is, let me actually show you what other creators are making. So let's go to Calodata, which is a TikTok analytics tool and basically allows you to spy on all of the creators. And let's see how much money people are making here. So let me go to creator and let's see the top creators on the past 30 days. All right, so look, this person here, she has sold $1.61 million worth of products. All right, let's actually check her profile. Let's see what she's doing. So as you can see here, in the past 30 days, look, on December 24, she sold $109,000 worth of products. But let's actually dig a little bit deeper. All right, let's see some of her videos. So this video sold $1.13 million in revenue. Let's just take a quick look.
Baby, when I tell you this smell like a man fresh out of the shower with his balls out covered in mint glaze, this smells so freaking fresh. Baby, I wish I would have known about this a year ago. Do you hear me? My man is not allowed to leave the house with this on. This smells so freaking good, like fresh out of the shower. Like,
all right.
So freaking good. Like, Oh my God, this kind of almost smell like his Versace, but
Honestly, this is a really good video. It's 47 seconds long, it's natural, and as a man, it makes me wanna buy that thing, you know, just to try it out. Like, it's amazing how she was able to make you wanna buy something without even knowing how it smells, because how can you explain a smell? Well, she did it. So it's amazing. All right, this video got 29 million views. All right, it went viral. But let's see how much money she actually made from that video, because so far in the past 30 days, all right, maybe it sold before the 30 days and maybe it will continue to sell, probably yes, but in the past 30 days it sold 1.13 millions. So let's check how much commission this company was giving for that product. So I can see here that they are giving 5% commission, which is actually pretty low. Normally companies give between 15 to 25% commissions. But I mean, she sold a lot, so let's actually see how much she got paid. So 1,130,000 times 0.05, she made $56,500 from that video, for that 47-second video, right? And you know, tell me if you wouldn't be able to make a video like that. Well, let's check some of her other videos. This video sold $100,000 and is 36 seconds long.
baby, you walking around here with one of these. Let me show you these compression leggings, because I'm trying to figure out where my stomach just go. Look at this. Baby, they got these up to a 2X, super stretchy, super comfortable.
Well, you see, another demonstration video. So amazing, amazing. $108,000. Let's see how much money this product is giving in commissions. This one, they are giving 8% commission. So let's see, 108,000 times 0.08. So she made $8,000 from that video. All right. You know, maybe you might think, okay, well, this girl is amazing, like she makes the best converting videos, but no, let's just go ahead and check somebody else. So let's see here, I don't know, maybe this one here, let's see, Mama Meg. So she only has 11,000 followers. Let's check out her videos. All right, if they have lives, because you can also tag videos on your lives and get commissions when they sell, it will show right here. But it looks like this girl only makes regular videos. And look, this one, she sold $700,000. And this video is only 10 seconds long. It got 2.47 million views. Only 10 seconds long. Wow, that's amazing, all right? You wanna see how much money she made from that 10-second video? Let's check it out. This company is giving 7% commission. So 699,000 times 0.07 equals to $48,952. Amazing, from that 10-second video, right? I mean, you can see, it's amazing. And if you want to find good products, you know, to promote, you can always go to the product tab here. And, you know, these are the products that are selling more. This is in the last 7 days. Look at that, this one is a hot product. It sold $900,000 in the past 7 days. And you can see the videos that other creators are making about the products to get ideas. Like you just hover and you just see the video right there. Look at this video. I should off read the reviews. All right, you see?
Went to dentist today.
I mean, I recommend you to go to Calodata. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, okay, so you can find it easily. And you know, just explore there, see what other people are doing. You're gonna notice that a lot of these videos that have a bunch of commissions, they just basically look very natural. They are not really trying to sell you the product. It's basically just trying to get a reaction out of you, spike some interest, and basically just talk to you as if they were your friend. You know, hey man, I found this product, it's amazing, you should try it out, right? Now, if you want more information about TikTok Shop affiliates and how to get started, well, check out this video, because there I show you everything you need to know and also give you some tips and a receipt for a perfect TikTok video that will get you a bunch of commissions. Thank you. I'm out.